What we've done to date is algebraic manipulation. Algebraic manipulation doesn't have an equal sign as such, but we use it as a tool with solving. Example of solving, we always have an equal sign, and we're trying to basically find out the value quite often of x. An example, x plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so what's the answer? 7. So we can do that. We can also write x equals 10 minus 3, because what's happened is we take minus 3 off both sides. Why can we take minus 3 off both sides? Because equals is a statement of equivalence. If I say A equals B, then A plus 3 is going to equal B plus 3. Yeah? And B is going to equal A. So it's that idea that if I do the same thing to both sides, it's still equal. Okay? So this one here, x equals 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. Okay, so here we've got 3 examples. 1, 2, 3. This first one, the first thing you have to realise is that between the 3 and the x is actually a times sign. So sometimes I write the times sign like that and the x like that, equals 12. Now what can you do to both sides so that we get x on its own? We've got 3 times x divide by 3. So we can divide both sides by 3 and they'll still be equal. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we've got x equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Okay, that's great. This next one. How are we going to get rid of the plus 5? So our plan is to get x on its own. We want at the bottom x equals something. So we're trying to like unpeel, if you like, the x. So we've got here plus 5. Now someone said, how do we get rid of the plus 5? Take away 5. So we're going to have x plus 5 equals 9. And we're going to go take away 5 to both sides. Because whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side so they remain equal. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So x equals 9 minus 5, which is 4. So when you've got this, go back and check. 4 plus 5 is 9, yay. And 3 4s are 12, yay. Now, that one might not be so easy to just see the answer. So how do I get rid of minus 8.2? Yeah, so we can on both sides go plus 8.2, but we only actually have to write n equals 5.2 plus 8.2. So the minus 8.2 becomes plus 8.2 on the other side. But it's because we're adding the same thing to both sides that we can do that. So n equals, anyone? 13.4. Thank you.